In this video, I'll show you how to create slow motion video out of this normal video. So if you have a video playing in normal mode, let me show you how to turn it into slow motion. So to do this, you're gonna first go to your gallery app, go ahead and preview the video. Next, you're gonna go ahead and tap on this edit icon here, just at the bottom, which looks like a pen icon. Now, once you're here, you'll see adjust speed option just above the timeline. So go ahead and tap on that. Now here, you can slow down the footage by half, or you can speed it up by 2. So since the video is about slowing down the footage, go ahead and tap on half. And now here, you can go ahead and select what part of the video you want to slow down, only part of it, or the whole video. So here, I've chosen to slow down the whole video. And once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on save at the top right, then tap on save. And there you go, you have turned a normal video into a slow motion video on your Samsung S24 Ultra. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.